Welcome back to USA Vibes. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic that affects many people: paying off loans. Whether you have a student loan, a mortgage, or any other type of loan, we understand the stress and burden it can bring. But don't worry, because in this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to pay off your loan and achieve financial freedom. So, let's get started. Step 1. Evaluate your loan host. The first step in paying off your loan is to evaluate the terms and conditions of your loan. Take a close look at the interest rate, the duration of the loan, and any additional fees or penalties associated with it. Understanding the details of your loan will help you plan your repayment strategy more effectively. Step 2. Create a budget host. Now that you know the details of your loan, it's time to create a budget. Assess your income and expenses to determine how much money you can allocate towards loan repayment each month. Be realistic and make sure to prioritize your loan payments in your budget. Cutting back on non-essential expenses can free up more funds for repayment. Step 3. Explore repayment options host. Many loan providers offer different repayment options, so it's essential to explore what is available to you. Look into options such as making extra payments, refinancing, or consolidating your loans. Researching and understanding these options can potentially save you money on interest and help you pay off your loan faster. Step 4. Prioritize high-interest loans host. When you have multiple loans, it's crucial to prioritize your repayment strategy. Focus on paying off high-interest loans first, as they accumulate more interest over time. By tackling these loans early on, you can save money in the long run. Step 5. Consider increasing your income host. If your current income doesn't allow you to make significant loan payments, it might be worth considering ways to increase your income. This could involve taking on a side job, freelancing, or even selling unused items. Every extra dollar you earn can make a difference in paying off your loan faster. Step 6. Stay consistent and motivated host. Paying off a loan takes time and dedication, so it's essential to stay consistent and motivated. Celebrate small milestones along the way and remind yourself of the financial freedom you will achieve once the loan is fully paid off. Surround yourself with a support system of friends or family who can encourage and motivate you during this journey. Step 7. Seek professional help if needed host. If you find yourself struggling to manage your loan repayment or need personalized advice, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Financial advisors can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation and help you create a repayment plan that suits your needs. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to pay off your loan. Remember, it's important to evaluate your loan, create a budget, explore repayment options, prioritize high-interest loans, consider increasing your income, stay consistent and motivated, and seek professional help if needed. With determination and a solid plan, you can become debt-free and achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and best of luck on your loan repayment journey.